times.
Good times.
Well, that's the best side to
Close
chew
enough.
on. The side that it attaches with. is the best
Yeah!
side to chew on.
Close enough.
Mhm.
Woo!
Whoa, she went down backwards.
They both went down backwards.
They know what they're in for. They know they're going to have an adventurous life, I think.
Oh,
Yeah.
that works.
I'm willing to
He's really testing it. He's like, I hope this is
structural
safe.
integrity.
Structural engineer, is that where we are? Yes, yes. You can oh.
Okay, then.
He's like, I spotted those earrings.
Look at that.
There's no ears. Poor unsuspecting babies.
He's just like, this is off.
Oh! You're supposed to put it back on.
Tom, fix
I
this.
keep breaking this by putting it on there.
Where are you going?
I don't know how come